Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Oven barbecue chicken. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is parboil our chicken with peppercorns, bay leaf, clove for a few minutes. So you can parboil for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now we're going to make our barbecue sauce. So we need 1 cup of ketchup. We're going to use a 1/4 cup of chicken broth. We're going to use 1 tablespoon of molasses. And for sweetness, you can either use sugar or honey. So I use 4 teaspoons of sugar for sweetness. Of course, you have to adjust this to your taste. So if you're using sugar, then you can use more or less, as the case may be. Again, the same thing with honey, just adjust it to your taste, okay? So of course you want to mix that well. Combine everything together. So as you can see there, it's all mixed. So now we're going to add a little garlic. It's about 1 clove of garlic. According to the size, you can do 1 or 2 cloves of garlic crushed. Add it to the saucepan. You're going to add your barbecue mix and we're going to heat for a while. Okay, now prepare your dry rub. So allspice, salt, chili powder, cinnamon, garlic powder, black pepper. So that's the spices that I did use, and that's our dry rub. So we're gonna cut a diagonal on the chicken, and then we're gonna add our dry rub. So you wanna put a dry rub on both sides of the chicken. Now, guys, in this video you notice that I did use foil paper. I don't do that anymore. I only use parchment paper when I'm cooking. So just note that, okay? So after we have put our dry rub, you want to leave that. Okay, so after I did the dry rub, then I brushed the chicken with the sauce that we had cooked. We had heated for a while, and then I left that to marinate. So you want to leave it to marinate for a minimum of 30 minutes and a maximum of whatever time you want to leave it to marinate. Okay, so we had put the sauce on both sides, and after marination you would bake in the oven for about 1 hour. Okay, a few minutes into baking, take out, add more sauce to the chicken. And you will want to continue basting the chicken throughout the cooking process. Okay, so of course adding sauce to both sides throughout the baking, and there you have it, your oven barbecue chicken. You can sprinkle the top with salve at the end, and in my case I served my own with some homemade French bread. You can serve it with whatever you prefer. All right, well, thanks for watching. Bye for now.